Hello and good day to you, my friends. Hope all is well. I'm Nick with freedomlifebusiness.com, and I'm here to talk to you today about how you can take back control of your life, your future, and start doing some more of the things that you want to do when you want to do them. As you spend more time working for the man, it's easy to feel as if you have lost control over your life. It's easy to feel like you are living someone else's dreams that is deciding how and when you spend your time and how you live your life. It's a feeling of helplessness and frustration and that feeling of being stuck. But don't be discouraged, my friend. There are always ways to take back control and start doing more of the things that you love. You have to be willing and desire to do what it will take in order to gain that freedom. The first step is to take a step back and look how you're currently spending your time. Do a full audit and analysis of your day-to-day activities and see what you can do to change some things within your lifestyle so you can give yourself more time for the things that really matter to you. Okay, very important. Next, analyze how much time you're actually spending on the things you love. Maybe you only get a few hours each week, or maybe you don't have any time at all for the things that make you happy, right? If that's the case, it's time to reassess your life and set aside specific times during the week to make sure you get in some of your favorite activities or hobbies if you have that luxury or abilities. Finally, it's important to remember that you don't have to spend all your free time working towards a career goal or your job. You have options. You just have to be comfortable enough and confident in yourself to be willing to make those changes. Because if you don't take action and make changes, then nothing will change. You are allowed to have fun and pursue activities that make you happy, even if they're not related to your job. The biggest thing is making sure that whatever you do, it brings joy and happiness into your life. I myself was stuck in that rut with no way out and felt helpless until I just was tired of it. And I wanted to do things. I wanted to go places. I thought to myself, surely there's more to life than just working years and years to accomplish very little and missing out on life's purpose. There's more to life than just that, okay? If you take the time to figure out how to maximize your time and prioritize what matters to you, it will be much easier to find the balance between work and leisure. You'll be able to reclaim control of your life and regain that sense of freedom and power. Your biggest enemy will be self-doubt and hesitation. Those will hold you back from your dreams and your future ambitions. I have an old saying that goes like this: if fear knocks on the door, answer with faith, and no one will be there. Okay? If you want to gain and reclaim your freedom and your time, you will have to take action and have faith in yourself and that yes, you can do attitude, okay? If you are ready to take the next step and feel you are fit to be in a home business profession and are ready to make some serious changes and are open-minded, then take a look at my website above here, freedomlifebusiness.com. Opt in, and when you have watched the video, then take the next step and sign up, and we will guide you the rest of the way. Looking forward to helping you gain your freedom, your time, and live life on your own terms. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video has helped you gain some insight into how to take back control of your life and start doing more of the things you love and want. Remember to always go for your dreams and stay strong, determined, and healthy, my friends. God bless, and bye for now.